Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you my winnings from Rosalind that I won recently. So I decided to show them more because they are really good. So the first thing that I received is this UV nail lamp. It's a 88-watt nail lamp and it's in white color. Like they didn't give you the choice to select them, so they just give you white one, and this is how it's look. And it's come in this like polythene, you can call it, and it got a display and 3 buttons which are 60, 80 and 99. It hasn't got any on or off button. It got sensors underneath, so which means that if you put your hand in, it's just gonna detect and just gonna turn on automatically. And this is how it's looking. It hasn't got any base like other nail lamps, so it just open from the bottom and you're just gonna place your hands in, and as power supply it uses the USB plug. So in the display you can see the numbers there, and I really like that because sometimes you actually need to see how many seconds are left to kill the jar, and or how long it has been since you put your hand in. So I really like the idea of putting the display. Like in the previous one, the one that I got from Yogi, it doesn't have any kind of display there, and I don't like that. So the next product that I got are these nail files, and I think there are 3 in total. Like there is a smaller one, then there are 2 buffers. So they just sent you a pack of this nail file set. So this is the nail file. This is the first one. It's 100 and 180 grit, and then I got this one which is 600 and 3000 grit, which means it doesn't gonna be harsh on your nails, so it's just gonna be like smooth, just to remove the shiny layer. And then I got another one in 100 and 180 grit. So this is the file, and they are pretty good. Like the quality is decent. Like even if you bend like some of the file just crack down, but this doesn't. Then they sent you 10 nail tips. These are the French tips, and they only sent you 10, which means if you got double size, like for both hands you need a same size, you won't be able to use them because they don't send you 20, they just send you 10. And they sent me that in a square one, and then the stiletto, I can say, or pointed one, you can call them. And again, these are again 10, so that means if you want to use them on both your hands, it's gonna be difficult, especially if you go like two same sizes, because you don't gonna find them. So you're just gonna place on your nails and you're gonna stick them. So that's the length, and the length is actually really good. Like for the ones who love like long nails, it's just gonna be good. Then I got this Rhinestone Tray, and it got like 12 different colors, and this is how they look. The first one is a basic black color. The second one is a kind of royal pink, you can call it, or royal purple. Then is this some mustard color, like mustard shiny color. I like the thing that they got a base underneath, like they got a flat base underneath, because sometimes the pointed one you can't stick them easily, so the flat one are really easy to stick. I like this green one as well. Then we got this orange kind of shade. On the other side we got light purple, you can call it kind of lavender, like I can say. Then there is this royal blue color. I like that one as well. This light sky blue shade. Then we got this royal purple or royal pink color, and I like the thing that they're really shiny, so they don't look like to be of a cheap quality. They look to be made with like a good quality. And again, the last one contained another black shade, which means you got 2 black shades. And then they sent me this 10 pack of nail wipes, and you can use them to remove the shiny layer or the sticky layer from the jar, or you can use them to actually remove the jar. Then I got this nail extension thing, and this one is used to do the extension. Like if you're using acrylic or window jar, you're just gonna put on your nail and you can start doing the extension. And it got like different sizes, shapes, so you can decide how long you want it and the shape that you need. And these are 10 in total, so that means I'm not gonna finish them so quickly. And you can see they are like actually sticky, so you're just gonna remove them from the base and you're gonna stick it on your nail, and after that you're gonna start building your nail shape that you want. Once you're done, you can easily remove it. So this is the next thing. The next thing that I got are a few nail care tools. So they sent me a few nail care tools. The first one is this one, which is the gel polish remover. It's a triangle gel polish remover, and they are in holographic color. and they actually are really heavy. Like there are some tools that they are not that much heavy, so these are actually heavy, and I like the thing that they are in the rainbow shade. Then again I got like 2 of them. So one was on that packaging and the another one on this one, and they are basically the same, but the only difference is that this one has got the Rosalind name, Rosalind logo underneath, and again this one is heavy as well, which means they're gonna be really good quality, and again it's used to remove the gel polish. The next tool is this one. It's a basic cuticle pusher, and it's used again to push back your cuticles and to remove the dust coming from your nails. And this one is heavy as well. Like the one that I got previously, they were not from Rosalind, but they were from another company. They're really they're not that much heavy, and they don't look like good quality, but this one really good, like made of good quality, and it's actually heavy. The next thing that I got is this nail cuticle cutter, you can call it. Yeah, it's a cuticle cutter that you use to, once you push back your cuticle, you can use it to cut them down, and it's actually sharp. Like you can see it or you cut my glove. So you just need to be careful with that one. So you need to put your cuticle enough back so that you can cut them easily without cutting the part that you don't need to. Then the next thing that I got are these builder gels and some top coat and base coat, and I got about I think 14 or 15 builder gels, so I never used them, but I tried it and they are actually pretty good. They help you to keep your nails strong, so they send me different shades and I really like them as well. So I will leave you in the music in background. So this is it for today's video, and I will see you very soon. Bye.